I'm Eric Weddle. My brother Alan and we have a third brother Tim. We started this company, Weddle Sons, been over 20 years, probably been 22 years or so. We did it for a while part-time just to get through school, to make some money in the summers. We're opening our 7th location this year in Wichita. And so we've got those 7 locations spread out over Kansas, Colorado, Nebraska right now. I would say last year we probably did in the neighborhood of 800 to 900 traditional asphalt roof jobs, or asphalt, Da Vinci, other synthetic, all types of conventional roofing. We've had an Equipter for probably 6 or 7 years. Our original Equipter, the bones of it are great. We've used it intensively for many, many years. Access was a problem. We're doing higher end, more upscale homes, doing, wood shake tear-offs or homes with lots of landscaping. To have that as a tool on certain jobs is a huge selling point for us. When we have jobs that are highly visible, we love to bring the Equipter out. It's an eye catcher. Besides being practical and saving us time, it gets people's attention. We're able to really get more complex jobs done with a much better customer experience, fewer callbacks, fewer issues that we had to clean up afterwards. It's critical to us that they have a good experience. And we smash your prized rose bushes or your cherry tree, that's a bad experience. There's definitely cost savings for us, but the number one driver has just been having the best customer experience every time. Our business is built on referrals. Our business is complete. We don't advertise almost at all. We don't knock on doors. We get referrals. And this is a big part of why we get referrals, is we have good customer experiences. We take care of their property. We keep things clean. It's the easiest callback to prevent, is having a dirty job site, and yet it happens. And so we don't want any of those callbacks. The best way that we have found for clients to have a good experience is for their job site to be clean. I think the longer I've been in business, the more I've appreciated this, is just the cost of not having good equipment. We have spent a lot more money by not having the right tools that we needed for the job. And so buying a high quality piece of equipment like Equipter, we're spreading that cost over 7 or 8 years. And when you take that annual cost, you spread out over the number of jobs you can do with it, it's really quite reasonable, and the payback is excellent.